Hey guys, welcome back again. Um, don't mind me and my little wrist thing. This is what happens when you maybe try to code too fast. Not sure what happened to my wrist. Anyway, welcome back. Good to see you. Today, I actually want to do uh, a quick rundown on a conversation I had with a friend of mine who works in AI. He actually is an AI researcher, works in a university here in Swinburne University of Technology. And I think it was, or was it maybe Swinburne, or it could be the Royal Melbourne Institute of Technology. Don't quote me on that. But anyway, I was having a chat with him about AI, and we were talking about some of the problems associated with trying to hype up the technology. And one of the interesting things that he mentioned that I want to talk about was the idea that it's not all about return on investment. And it came from the fact that he was talking about the improvement of medical imaging through the use of analysis on AI using the same algorithms, let's call artificial intelligence, just analytics. And he said that there are models out there which are really helpful, but they don't necessarily create quantifiable ROI. Now, when I this is why I guess I use the heading in this video of AI is not just about ROI. I believe that the state is a very important player in funding the improvement of the healthcare system. So in the US, it's a bit different because you have it's all privatized. I have my own personal views. I think that's a disastrous approach to the medical industry because it incentivizes um, a lot of and there's a lot of financial incentive for the companies to do whatever they need to do to be more competitive. And in some cases, that doesn't really work out for the benefit of the patients. So that's why I think the state is important in helping fund healthcare. Now, so I guess my point is that it's not necessarily that AI can make a return on an investment, but it can improve the lives of the people around us by being used effectively in the medical industry. So it may be worthwhile, I think, in countries maybe necessarily that don't, like in Europe, um, it may be worthwhile to invest for the state to invest in AI, and it's actually what is happening. So the Danish government has actually bought a supercomputer that's powered by a ton of, I think, HV100s, which are NVIDIA AI accelerators. So I guess in terms of the future, what we're looking at is that a lot of the great stuff that's happening isn't what you see on YouTube or the marketing hype. It's actually in research. And so what I think I'd like to see is more kind of more development and promotion of these tools by the state, and not just by big companies like Microsoft and Google that are kind of getting all the limelight. And in a certain case, there's a lot of stuff that's like being hyped up, uh, and a lot of funds are being raised and they're just being misspent because at the end of the day, it's not always about a return on that investment. So in some cases, medical companies are probably more likely to be effectively using these tools. So that's really it. I just wanted to communicate that insight that it's not all about ROI for AI. Thanks, guys. I hope you're having a good time doing whatever you're doing, and I'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.